Step-by-step tutorial, installing the ChartExpo Comparison Bar Chart custom visual in Power BI. There are two methods to install the ChartExpo Comparison Bar Chart custom visual in Power BI. First method, we will install the ChartExpo Comparison Bar Chart custom visual for Power BI from Microsoft AppSource. Open your web browser and search for Microsoft AppSource. Click on Microsoft AppSource link. Type ChartExpo in the search bar, then find and click on Comparison Bar Chart for Power BI by ChartExpo. Click on the Get It Now button. Enter the email address associated with your work or school account and click Sign In. Enter the password and sign in. Confirm your details and click on the Get It Now button to proceed. The Power BI visualization file will be downloaded to Downloads folder. Open Power BI and click on the New Report button. Click on three dots, then select Import a visual from a file to add the Comparison Bar Chart visual. Click on the Import button. Select the Power BI visualization file from your Downloads folder. Click on the Open button. Comparison Bar Chart for Power BI by ChartExpo has been successfully added to your visuals. Second method, we will add the ChartExpo Comparison Bar Chart custom visual while you're working in Power BI. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your email to sign in and click on the Continue button. Click on three dots, then select Get More Visuals to add the Comparison Bar Chart visual. Search for ChartExpo. Select ChartExpo's Comparison Bar Chart. Add the Comparison Bar Chart and visuals. ChartExpo's Comparison Bar Chart has been successfully added to the visuals. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.